Hi, my name is Natika Najia, branded Izan. Today I will present financial accounting and reporting for sole proprietorship business. Before that, I will introduce myself. I am Natika Najia, a student of Puncak Alam, and the presentation that will be presented is the subject ACC 407 and will be presented by me. Here I will present 16, namely the background of the business, business characteristic, classification of business item, recording a process, strength and weakness, and the last appendix. And the company that I will present is Izan Kawash Enterprise. Izan Kawash Enterprise is a sole proprietorship company which is managed by only one individual who is free to make decisions without having to discuss with a partner. This business started on 4 March 2018 with SSM registration number and is located in Tanjung Karang Town. Izan Kawash chose this location because it is a strategic location because it is located in Tanjung Karang Town, an area focused on resident and daily activities. It is also easily accessible by local resident and surrounding road user. Not only that, Izan Kawash is the first car wash in the area at the initial stage, so it lacks competitor, allowing it to attract customer quickly and is close to residential areas and other businesses such as car wash, which can increase customer flow consistently. The main business carried out by Izan Car Wash is car washing service, where it provides car polishing, engine washing, car washing, nano car deodorization, and ceramic coating car. Service carried out by Trizan bin Abdul Kasim, the owner who runs this business, with a capital of 115,000 with 3 employees, namely Aiman, Dekci, and Razi. This business is carried out because the owner is really interested in business and always want to explore and try new things in the business field. Before opening this business, the owner used to sell mango pickers, frozen and fresh raw materials, goat and cattle. Therefore, the business is now open because of his interest in the business world. Not only that, even though the owner already has a permanent business, he still sells frozen and fresh goat and cattle if there are orders from customers. Next, we will go into the characteristic of the business B market, namely the target user who are aimed at residents around Tanjung Karang Town or local residents as well as external customers who want to return to their village, with owners who have private vehicle or company cars such as car, motorcycle, vans, lorries, and also local workers and customers who want easy and close car washing service. Not only that, the unit of is the first car wash in the area and was recognized early by local customer or Tanjung Karang resident by having a long experience in the service and having a larger and more spacious car wash area with a width of 20 feet and a length of 16 feet compared to other competitors, and it also provides comfort and efficiency to a customer. Therefore, this business also operates from 9 a.m. until 6:13 p.m. which make easier for customers who have just finished work at 5 p.m. who already have a plan to wash their car after work, or customers who come during their breaks or lunch. This business is physically based on Tanjung Karang Town and it involves promotion through irregular customer on a word of mouth basis. Washing products are only taken off purchase from Smart Ink Sinar Berhad, which is a regular supplier of Izan Car Wash located in Kappa, because the price is direct from the factory, which is much cheaper than buying at retail store. This business also provides competitive pricing based on local market price and offers several types of service such as regular washing and premium washing specific to a customer request. For this section regarding the classification of business item, to ensure that financial reports are not recorded incorrectly, and every business must know the element of accounting so that financial records are always systematic and not scattered. So the Izan Car Wash company can determine whether its business is profitable or not by knowing and understanding its financial position clearly, and this business item must be classified correctly. Therefore, there are 5 classifications in this presentation, namely asset, liability, capital, revenue, and expenses. I will go one by one. The first must be what we know and is important for the business. If there is not this item, then there is no Izan Car Wash company, which is asset. Where asset is a valuable property owned by a business to carry out operation and is divided into 2, namely current asset used by the Izan Car Wash business such as car care chemical, which is snow wash, degreaser, cushion cleaner, and tire shine. Soft good equipment, which is microfiber, cloth, sponge, and special brush, as well as detailing, which is wax, polish, and coating, which is estopa every month or a certain period. And non-current asset, which is our permanent asset used by the Izan Car Wash business operation but not for sale. A stainless steel snow wash tank, which is a worth 500, Swan air compressor, which is worth 7,000, power spray water jet plunger pump, which is worth 700, vacuum car wash, which is worth 500, and office equipment, which is worth 5,000, and all of these assets are purchased in cash. Number 2 is liability, which is a business debt that must be paid to external parties and needs to be settled. This item also has two liabilities, namely current liabilities such as creditor and not more than 1 year, and non-current liability more than 1 year such as bank loans. However, the Izan Kawash business does not have both types of liability. This is an advantage for its company to classify its financial position easily, and the risk of bankruptcy is low because there is no pressure from creditors, bank or supplier to demand debt. Next is the capital, where Izan bin Abu Qasim, the business owner, invested a total of 1,000 which was at from one period to another to support his business and finance business operation and strengthen the company financial position for future needs. The overall average sales for 1 year or the Izan Kawash business is 5,000 per month or 900 per day depending on the washing service. Apart from that, the Izan Kawash business also has monthly expenses that are paid every month such as site rent, electricity bills and salaries. The next slide shows manual ledger maintenance and record keeping and explain the accounting cycle process at Izan Kawash, which is they carry out manually. For Izan Kawash, all transactions are recorded manually, named car, lorries, motorbikes in the ledger book. This include the type of vehicle and payment. The method of payment is accepted either in the cash or transfer to the owner bank accounts or received in the cash collected by family members or employee and recorded in a book. For customer who pay in the cash, the money will be counted daily and stored before being deposited in the bank. Like daily cash is counted at home tied with a rubber band and deposited in the bank the next day. For online payment, receipt or proof of transfer are photographed and stored as evidence, and the payment is tracked using the owner bank account number, and the receipt is stored as evidence. This means that every customer who pays online will be given an account number and tracked through the financial statement of the owner Izan bin Abu Qasim. The Izan Kawash enterprise business until now still does not use an accounting system or digital software, and all records are kept manually. Number 2 is incomplete financial report because Izan Kawash is a sole proprietorship. Financial records are managed by the owner and family members. However, bank reconciliation, the process of matching the cash balance in the Izan Kawash business record book with the balance in the bank statements are not done regularly, so the amount in the books and the bank may not always match. In addition, a profit and loss statement is not formally prepared, making it difficult to accurately analyze the business financial performance. Now, we will see strength and weakness of Izan Kawash in the enterprise. So we have 4 strength and we have 4 weakness. So I will go one by one. So the first one is cost effectiveness. Izan Kawash transaction recording process is low cost because all transactions are recorded manually in a ledger without using accounting software or POS system. POS system is cash register machine and software or hardware that includes a computer or tablet to enter sales data. Number 2 is simple audit trail. Every business transaction start from a source document such as cash payment or bank transfer receipt from a customer after making a payment, then recorded in the ledger or recorded as a proof of the transaction or money transfer, making the audit trail simple and easy to track. Number 3 is owner oversight. Owner Izan Kawash enterprise are family members are directly involved in receiving payments and recording transactions, allowing for immediate monitoring of daily sales result. Number 4 is evidence collection. Receipt and photo of a proof of online payment using the owner account number, namely Izan bin Abu Qasim. After making a money transfer or transaction are kept as supporting document in line with basic accounting record requirement. So we have 4 weakness of Izan Kawash enterprise. So I will go one by one. So the first one is risky of data loss. Risky of data loss is accounting record Izan Kawash enterprise are stored physically, books and photo of payment receipt, causing the risk of loss or damage to source document to be quite high when there is no backup data to store accounting records systematically and securely. Number 2 is a human error. Izan Kawash use a manual process in entering transaction records, and this increased the risk of transaction misclassification, such as incorrect payment amount or missing payment transaction due to their use of manual records. So number 3 is incomplete financial report. So Izan Kawash accounting recording process has stopped at the ledger level and the business has not proceeded to the preparation of financial statement such as profit and loss statement. The last one is a lack of accuracy. So Izan Kawash does not have a bank reconciliation and adjustment, which makes the accuracy of account balance uncertain. So the Izan Kawash business can implement improvement for its business with the first one is separation of business and personal funds. Izan Car Wash is advised to open a separate business bank account to distinguish between personal and personal transaction. This will facilitate the classification of transaction received, improve record accuracy, and support the preparation of more organized financial report. Number 2 is implementation of Do It Now QR. Izan Car Wash can implement Do It Now QR to allow payments to be automatically recorded via bank statement. This reduces reliance on manual record, simplify transaction tracking, and reduce the risky of human error. Number 3 is prepare a profit loss statement formally. It will help Izan Car Wash assess its financial performance more accurately and position its financial statement accurately. It also allows the owner to understand the total income, expenses, and net profit for each accounting period. Before I end my presentation, I include an attachment and a video showing the Izan Car Wash business.
Ni tukang jaga duit.
With that, I will end my presentation. Thank you.